Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a problem with your print spooler on your Windows computer. So this should be hopefully a pretty quick tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in services. Best match should say services right above desktop app. You want to open that up, and then once you get a screen like this, you want to go down to get to print spooler right here. You want to right click on it, and then left click on properties from the bottom of the context menu. Underneath startup type, you want to make sure you set it to automatic. And if service status says that it's stopped, like if it says stopped right here, you want to click on the start button. And then once you've done that, you want to click on apply and OK to save the change. Close out of this window. I'd recommend that you restart both your computer and your printer at this time, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.